Karma means action. Karma, the Sanskrit word, so meaning is action. So that, I think, whether people use the word of karma or not, actually everybody knows things entirely depend on your effort, your action. So then, in that sense, your effort, karma, more or less the same meaning. But that indicates whatever you wish or you want, either overcome suffering or achieve some good thing, only through prayer, not sufficient. You must work. So you must create karma, positive karma. Positive karma means positive action.